Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am going to be reviewing this epic Civivi Pintail, excuse me. Also, I forgot I have my bands on my braces. Hold on guys, Jesus. Okay. I mean, I'm already a huge dork. I don't want to look like a terrible dork. Okay, so Civivi Pintail. You guys, Pintail. I love it. There's a lot that I love about this knife. There's one thing that I'm not a fan of, but overall, I kind of wish this knife was mine. So this one actually came to me from the Apex Pass Around group. It's a group of, oh my gosh, Serge. So the Apex Pass Around is a group of amazing people that are YouTube reviewers and knife lovers, and we pass around knives, and this gives us the opportunity to review so many different knives. So this one came from them, and I am glad I was able to get my hands on this one because it's a fun one. So let's talk specs, and then I'll tell you guys what I like about it and what I don't. So overall length, 7 inches. The blade length is 3 inches. The handle length is 4 inches. This actually weighs 2.75 ounces. It's honestly lightweight. I mean, it's not like my most lightweight knife. You know, I have reviewed the SOG XR, the Ultra XR, which is I think 2.1 ounces, but this is light. It's not, you will really not feel this in your pocket much. And I think that it makes for a good weight for someone that has small hands like me, or if you are into, you know, wearing tighter clothes, you would want to go for a knife that's this size and this weight. So I like that very much. What else? Okay, blade thickness 0.10, and I think that does it. So let's touch on a couple of things. Let's start with the blade. So the blade, as you can see, is black coated. Civivi stepped out their game, and now they are offering an S35V steel. And honestly, you know, compared to most other Civivis that I have seen and those that I have reviewed the Mastodons here on my channel. This is an upgrade, and it allows for Civivi to provide a higher quality product. You guys, I can't talk today. Gosh, maybe it's been because it's been a while since I did a knife review, so now I'm like all over the place. Okay, so I like the upgrade on the steel, and it makes for a better knife. Of course, with that comes a higher price point. So we're talking about $84 on this one, where most Civivis seem to me like they're in the budget-friendly category. That for me is below $60. So I appreciate the upgrade, and I'm willing to spend the extra money to have a better blade. So I like that. So this one is black coated, which I like. You guys know I love kind of like the black hardware and the black steels on my knives, and I love the color combo on this one. So this one actually, it's a green micarta handle. I love the military look. I think the design is super minimalist, very simple, but I like it. I also am a fan of the Civivi logo because it's a C, because of my name. I think, you know, it matches my personality, so I kind of like it. Another great feature on the blade, you guys, it has a thumb stud opener, right? But it also has another one, so that makes it ambidextrous opening, which for those lefties out there, you know, that comes in as a huge plus. There's a little jimping right there, a little choil for sharpening the knife. I love the design on the blade. I like it. Honestly, very, very cool. Now, let's talk about the handle. So the handle, again, the micarta scales are nice. They feel smooth, so it's not like a grippy knife, which I actually prefer. However, I like it, you know, for what it is. Black hardware, which I love. Black liners, black clip, also deep pocket carry. You can switch it to make it right or left hand carry. You know, the clip is an issue for me, and it's funny because I had the same problem on the Mastodon. So it kind of gives me a little bit of a hot spot on the handle, and I think it's because it kind of goes up a little bit there. I like the design of the clip, but when I actually grab the knife, it, it's like a little bit of an inconvenience. Again, not a huge deal, but I'm reviewing the knife, so I want to give you guys all the details. I do love the deep pocket carry, but it does stick out just a little bit. Has some good retention though. It's pretty tight there. It has a lanyard hole, small but good. I mean, it's a small knife, so we don't need anything else. And again, I would see myself carrying this as my EDC. The fact that it's kind of like a less than $100 knife makes me feel like I have a high quality blade without breaking the bank, which makes me want to carry it, and not be super sad if something bad happens to it. I kind of always like to think about that when I carry my knives. I also love the shape of the knife. I feel like it would be something that's easy to hand to somebody else, just because it is a flipper and a thumb opener. So you can see the flipper. Actually, to me, the Civivi flippers are kind of my favorite ones because the little jimping and the design of it allows me to not miss the flip, which I tend to do on other ones. But also you have the ability of doing the thumb stud if you prefer that. I don't, but it's good to have both. Yeah, you guys, I kind of think this is a good one. Again, $84 doesn't seem too bad. The design is great. If you're into simplistic designs, I think Civivi is doing a great job. I think they went in the right direction with the blade choice. So I definitely recommend this one. I might have to get one of these for myself. And honestly, the fidget factor is awesome. The deployment on this thing is smooth. Of course you can do it like single-handed very quickly too. It's actually like a smooth system. So, overall, sweet knife. Okay, guys, that concludes the review. Tonight is Friday. Tomorrow I will be doing my weekly live chats here on YouTube, as well as my weekly giveaways. I will be celebrating, I don't even know how many subscribers, you guys. I have been growing so fast, so I'm very excited to celebrate weekly, to be honest with you. So feel free to join me. I will be doing a giveaway, so don't miss out on that. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, where I do a lot of lifestyle posts and also more giveaways. I have a Patreon and a Teespring store and a bunch of links all in the description of this video. If you think that you learned something new, if you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment. And I will see you guys again in another knife review very soon, or maybe in a creative concealed carry idea video or some YouTube shorts, which have been a little bit successful for me. Have a great day. See you soon.